Hello everyone. In this lesson, I will show you how to create steps over raft foundation. So in our previous video, we have created this raft foundation. Here, now I will show you how you can create steps. If you see the object mode, you can see the raft foundation and the pedestals. I will go to define, pad and pile caps. Here, the thickness we have provided 400 mm. So now what I will do, I will reduce the thickness as 350 mm. And to clear the punching, I will provide the steps. So I will click on OK now. Here I will right click on the pad and click on edit graphically. Here you can see now you can edit this pad graphically. I will go to the top view. Now you can see here, if you press Alt, you will be in the step mode. So I will press Alt. I will click here. You can see we are snapping the grid points. I will click on this point. I will leave Alt button and I will create the step here. And I'll finish at the first point again. Again, I'll create here. I will press Alt. I'll leave Alt and I'll create the step. Again, I will press Alt, click here, leave and create the step. And we'll do the same here also. Now we are in pedestal mode. So click on any of the existing pedestals. So to finish the drawing. So you can see we have completed the drawing. I will click on the selection tool and I will go to the isometric view. Here you can see we have created the steps, but now these steps are going down. So for that we need to make some changes here. I will go to define, pads or pile caps. Here you will find steps. I will reduce all the bottom offset to 0. I will make these direction as top up, and here I will give top offset as 300 mm. Now here if you see, for the steps what I will do, for top and bottom I will provide the inherent reinforcements, and for the steps only I will provide one extra top reinforcement. So I will add one layer for all the steps. I will go to uniform, and here if you see the step 1 to 4, I will provide 12 mm bar with 150 mm spacing. So we have provided 12 so we have provided 12 mm bar with 150 mm spacing at the top of the steps. For the bottom, for now I will keep it none and we will check whether it is passing. I will click on apply and then OK. Here you can see, now we can see the steps. If you go to the rebar view, you can see the rebar also. Now I will go to run and click on analyze and code checks. Click on yes, yes. Now for analyzing the raft foundation, what are the settings or initial design input you need to give? If you want to know, please check our first video. You will find the link by clicking the I button. Now here if you go to the design output, it is failing. You can see it is failing in flexure. So what I will do, I will provide bottom reinforcement also here. So I will go to define again, pad or pile caps. Here for the steps, I will go to uniform, and here I will provide bottom reinforcement also. So I will select all the steps. I'll provide 12 mm, and here also I will provide 150 mm spacing. Now I'll click on apply and OK. I will run the analysis again. Now we will see the utilization ratio. Here it is showing for the axial force. I will change it. It is showing for the pedestal now. You can see for the pedestals. We will also see for the pad, and you can see the pad is passing now. For the punching shear, we will also check the pad structural results. And here it is passing for the pad structural result also. If you want to see the geotechnical results, you can also see the geotechnical results also, which is the soil bearing. You can also see here by clicking on this soil bearing pressure, and it will show you the soil bearing pressure graphically for different load combinations. You can change the load combination here. And you can also see the rebar utilization for different load combinations. You can see the moments if you click on panel contour results. You can see the moments for different load combinations on the pad and on the steps as well. So this is how you can add steps to clear the punching shear in your pad, and you can design the pad accordingly. So this is it for today. In the next video, we will show you some advanced options like pile foundation using as foundation software. Thank you.